Right, hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Forex Trading with Sai. If you're finding me for the first time, I want to welcome you to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click like and share this video. So let's get straight into it. So this week, technical analysis, I'm looking at 4 trades to get into. I'm looking at 4 currency pairs. I'm just going to put it up on the list for you. As you can see, like I tell you in every episode, these are all my favorite pairs, my accurate pairs, my consistent winning pairs that I have a consistent winning trade on them. So that's all them. So right, I'm looking at 4 pairs this week to trade. I'm looking at AUDJPY, EURJPY, NZDCAD and AUDUSD. So we're going to start off with AUDJPY first. Right, we're going on a weekly time frame. As you can see on the weekly time frame, this level here is marked out as my major resistance level, and 73.30 is my major support level. Last week's candlestick, we've had a close above my major resistance level, so it has now broken it. So what I'm waiting for now is to see how the market reacts to it in this week's trading session. So right now, I've just scrolled down to the daily time frame, and you can see this is a nice bullish candlestick, daily candlestick just broken above that major resistance level. So now my major resistance level is now turned to support. So what I'm looking for now is for price to push down to this level here or react off my major trend line. Go into the 4-hour time frame. So I'm looking for 2 scenarios on AUDJPY to happen. So I'm either looking for price to push back down onto this support level right here, my new support level, to see if it tests it, retest it, test it to see if it holds, and this will make it a valid support level. If not, if it pushes below it and then touches my trend line, and if it holds and reacts off the trend line, then I'm going to look to take a long trade. And then price should start pushing up in the upwards momentum again. As you can see, we've been in a bullish trend with AUDJPY since the beginning of November. So for almost 2 months now, we've been in a bullish trend. So that's 2 scenarios I'm looking to happen on AUDJPY this week. Just gonna watch that pair. Scroll into a 1-hour time frame. As you can see, the market's not open yet. I'm doing this Sunday night just before the market opens. So I'm also, what's going on here? Get rid of that. Sorry people, my map's all over the place. Yeah, so I'm going to mark this temporary support level as there. As you can see, the market is also on a 1-hour time frame is finding support beyond this level, at this level. So if you just want to take note of this support, this temporary support level here. So when the market opens Sunday night, I'm just going to look out, watch this price level just right here to see if the market does break below it. If not, we can have some temporary support here, and price might react to it and start even push up and come nowhere near our new support level or our trend line. So that's it on AUDJPY. You just want to take note of that temporary support level there. Just keep an eye on it. So now we're going to move on to AUDUSD. Not really much going on AUDUSD, as you can see. Last few weeks, this has also been in a bullish trend. So Aussie's been pretty strong in the last few weeks. Been in an uptrend, been in a bullish trend on a lot of its currency pairs against a lot of other pairs. Scroll on to the daily time frame. As you can see, slowly but surely been pushing upwards, having that upwards momentum. Going to a 4-hour time frame. So what I can see now on a 4-hour time frame, because as you can see, look how it's playing out on my moving average. Look at that, lovely. It's reacting off of it very well. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to put a Fibonacci on this and it's going to see if we have a pullback when the market opens. So we're going to see if price will pull back to any of my Fibonacci levels here. Ideally, I'm looking for the 61.8 or the 78.6 levels. But I'm just going to keep an eye on it. So I'm going to put a fib on it because we're in an uptrend. So I'm going to use my Fibonacci to get in a long trade on this, as I can't see any support or resistance levels happening on this trade, on this pair. So that's pretty much it for AUD/USD. And again, if you want to have a screenshot, take note of it, feel free to. We're going to move on to EURJPY. As you can see already, I've already got this support level here, this temporary support level here marked out. Price fell to break my major resistance level. So that weekly candlestick close, look at this nice week. So you can see the bears have taken control by the end of the week and pushed price back down on my major resistance level. So now I'm expecting this EURJPY to actually drop this week. It might not even drop, it may play out in this consolidation. As you can see, it might start playing out in this area here, this consolidation area here, before it decides to drop. But even that, I could be wrong. It may not even drop and decides to push upwards and break that major resistance level. So right now on a 4-hour time frame, I'm just going to wait. Actually on a 1-hour time frame, I'm just going to wait to see if price can break this temporary support level here, and if it does, can break this level here, I'm going to wait for a nice bearish candlestick for it to break, get in for a short trade, and also watch out to see if price will come back and retest this level, then decide to push, continue its downwards momentum. Yeah, so that's it for EURJPY. Pretty simple on that one. So that's what I got. I got this level here marked out as my temporary support level, waiting for EURJPY to break it. And when it does break it, then we get a nice, hoping to get a nice downwards momentum run on this. Hopefully we can get a nice, also I'm sorry people, gonna have to, what I've noticed, I'm gonna put a nice, also I'm just gonna put this trend line just here. We're gonna see if price can react. When we do get the break, I'm gonna see if price is gonna react with this daily trend line as well. So that's it for EURJPY. Gonna move on to NZDCAD. This consolidation level was marked up from last week, technical analysis. As you can see, it's still on there. So I'm just going to look at this on a weekly time frame. As you can see, price has broken this, my major resistance level, a few weeks ago. Now I'm just waiting to see if this is going to hold as support. But right now on New Zealand CAD, we've had a nice pullback. Last week we see a nice pullback from the New Zealand CAD. So are we going to start continuing this upwards trend? So what I'm looking for now is a break to the upside. So I'm looking for price to break this temporary resistance level and start continuing its bullish trend. If not, we can see price come back down to the support level here, touch, and come back up. And if we do, then I'm going to be trading along in this range, in this consolidation range. So I will look to see if price comes back down to this level here, and if it does, I'm going to be looking out for candlestick reversal patterns and take a long trade. As you can see, we've got multiple touches at this price level here. We've got 2 touches of this level here, so this was going to be our temporary resistance level. So New Zealand CAD is a nice trade to look out for this week. So scrolling to 1 hour time frame, yeah. So it's still below my red EMA, as you can see right here. So price could still be pushing down. So yeah. So if you want to take note of these levels, 0.9063 for your resistance level and 0.8988 for your support level. So that's it from me, people. I just want to say thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the like button and share this video. And also, if you want to ask me any question, hit me up on the social media, on the Instagram. If you've got any currency pairs you're looking at, you're not quite sure, you need any advice, I can give you my advice. So have a good trading week, people, and I'll catch you all on the next episode of Forex Trading with Sir.